We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Jessie Raeburn for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
To the purists out there who appreciates the finer things in life, you simply cannot go past the classic Vanity with medicine cabinet. It is the Rolls Royce of bathroom design. A lot of the Victorian and Edwardian homes you'll notice do have the 3 and 4 panel doors, and they all feature this beveled edge that you see here. So it's a great way to tie the two in together. If you're concerned about storage, then you really can't go past the classic style. It has eye-level storage in the medicine cabinet and plenty underneath. And my favorite feature is a classic Italian Carrara marble. If you're designing a Hamptons style home, give it the respect it deserves. This vanity is an absolute must.